how to fix Spotify application not responding on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify application not responding on Android phone. First, just open setting and then go to apps here and click apps again, and here you need to find all installed apps. Now just type here Spotify, click on it, and then go to storage, clear cache, this one here, click on it, and then go to permissions, enable all of those here, and then go to data usage and enable mobile data and enable Wi-Fi also, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.